finally got me to fly out to New Orleans. I don't normally do stuff like that, but they got me here. And the weather kind of a little bit gloomy, a little bit doomy, and it kind of fits the topic of what you wanted to how long has it been since you've been doing some of this filming? It's been probably between 4 and 6 months.
Get it, Sully. Get the balloon.
You
Go
caught
get
some
it.
amazing stuff that caught my attention.
You're not
So
making
I had
for
to
a
come
good
and
review.
investigate it for myself and make
She has a
sure that
preference in
I
the
get so
color.
many letters and so many things coming through my email that I most of the time I just pass it off. Tell us a little bit about yourself to start with. What have you been doing all these years in New Orleans?
Well, born and raised here. 52 years old at this point.
Get it!
Spent
Get
the
the
last
balloon!
20, 30 years
Go
doing
get it!
electronics work for a company
Get it,
involved
Phyllis!
with,
Get the balloon! Get it!
seismic marine exploration. But
Here.
other than the 8-hour a day,
You can't have them all.
I have been involved with trying to document some of this phenomenon that's taken place.
So your camera was actually capturing things that were naked on it.
Exactly. And that's really what intrigued me, is what I was seeing in the downloaded footage. I was not seeing.
She's good at, when it's in the air, keeping it up with her nose. See that?
Saying that were anomalies that you captured on your camera.
The original footage had a glowing ball of light that was in every single video that I ended up downloading. This ball of light was included. And there were a particular pattern of lights associated with it.